Surprise, surprise! Don't you love surprises just like I do? And this time Gabe has seriously surprised me with this Xiaomi product. I have no idea what's it until I saw the content level. So what we are waiting for? Let's unwrap it. Firstly, I'd like to thank Gabriel for sending this awesome birthday gift for me. Well, actually, it's a Me Travel backpack and business backpack that comes in a Ziploc plastic bag. Let's open it up. Actually, it's the most recommended Me backpack ever from famous YouTubers like Amit from Phone Radar or iGyan and many more. That because it's both a travel backpack and business backpack and have a capacity of 26 liter to 30 liter, much more than any other Me backpack. Well, everything is given in Chinese on the label. There is no MI branding anywhere except the chain and shoulder strap. Well, even the chain zip line has a waterproof padding to protect it from rusting and rain. The Me backpack is made of polyester lining, which is why it is water resistant, 650G, anti-scratch and quite lightweight. It is feel very comfortable for you to carry heavy stuff due to its ergonomic strap with padded bag. It got many pockets but has a simple design. The bag itself is lined with polyester and the outer material is water resistant. The backpack weighs only 2.6 pounds or 1.2 kilos. The shoulder straps are padded and it's just so much comfortable to wear it with its padded bag. Well, I'd like to give you a small demo of how spacious this bag is and how much it can hold your daily and travel stuff. The side pockets of this backpack are completely waterproof, so you can place your water bottles or umbrella in it. It prevents water from going inside the bag from side pockets. The side pockets are pretty spacious and has one more pocket inside it. The pocket is not a waterproof one, but still spacious for all your belongings. You can keep your earphone over here or anything else. Your backpack has a lot of compartments where you can slot all your gear, 11 in total. The very first compartment can hold your power bank easily, whereas the main compartment has a 6 pocket in total, giving you more than enough room to keep things organized. You can buckle up your clothes in this compartment, and clipping in and out is pretty much easy. Just press the bottom of the buckle to close or unlock. The main compartment itself has enough room for a DSLR camera and a few lenses. You get two pockets at the top for storing your smartphone, business card, while in another compartment you can store your action camera, cables, and many more items. Then there's a zipper pocket where you can store your Bluetooth speaker, your accessories. On the other side of the compartment you get two zippered pockets. The one at the top is made up of soft material and is ideal for sunglasses, your contact lenses, etc. And the one at the bottom can be used for notebooks. The deep pocket is specially made for drones rotor blades, which means you can easily carry out drones itself in the bag anywhere you want to, or else you keep a set of walkie-talkie while you travel around the mountains. Let's move to second compartment, which is large enough to accommodate a tablet and a 50-inch notebook. I was able to slot in my 15.6-inch HP laptop in it, and it stands upright when you put it on the floor or on a flat surface. Just beside the tablet compartment you get an stylus or a pen holder, perfect for business opportunities. After filling up your laptop and tablet compartment, you get lots of room to spare. Now you know why it is most recommended me bag from top YouTubers like PhoneRadar, IKEA, Android Central. That's because it has greater load capacity and have enough compartment for all types of gears and gadgets which you usually travel with. Plus, it's still affordable. You can get it for yourself at $25 from Gearbest from the link given below, and there's no custom included in it.